Hi friends, this is the stencils that used to draw some craft work for kids. These are like plastic sheets so that it can be easily cleanable and you can easily wash it. You can use spray brush or pencil or any other thing to draw with these stencils, and after the paint and stuff you can just wipe it off with a wet cloth, and you can see that it's really nice plastic sheet with a nice cuts. This is like, for example, a USA map, and you can see all the cuts and stuff inside it that can easily be used. There are some like the Air Force and the Army and logos, like this is the Air Force logo. So there are like different things that you can use. Sorry, this is the US Air Force logo that you can use. You can make a screen, or you can paint like with the spray brush or the watercolor or crayons or the pencil. So this is like the US Army one. So different logos and some stars are there. That star you can use along with the these crafts and the things. So I can show you like some of them, that how you can draw with this and use this. So these are a good collection of the stencils that can be used by kids, like a US flag. So that they can use it in their school craft work or any other work or any other decoration that they want to use. And these are like the stars. So let me show you, like I'm using the pencil right now, but you can also use the spray brush or any other color that you want to do. So with these stencils you can see that it's very easy to draw, and then it will drawing a perfect star or the perfect drawing every time you use it. So you can see with this one, especially like with the other stencils, the big one, I'm not doing the whole big thing right here, but I'm just doing a part of it that you can see very quickly. Like this is another big star with the US Army logo that I'm doing right now with the pencil, and you can see it's pretty easy to draw, and the pencil is going really fine with the fine cuts and prints and drawing. Overall it's good stencils and a fun work for kids and adults that you can use in printing and any other thing, and easy to clean as well.